Welcome to the Stitch Guide. This week we're looking at, in UK terms, we call it moss stitch, and US it's linen stitch, and I've used it. It's quite a versatile stitch. I've used it on my sketchbook, sample book. I've used it on the front cover and the back cover. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? It's quite a smart stitch, I think. And then I've also used it on the spine, on the margin. It looks nice. So let's get started. Using DK yarn and a 4mm hook, I'm going to chain an odd number of stitches. Yeah, so make your chain as long as you want. So I've chained 21, yeah, and we're going to, in the second chain from the hook, we're going to make a US single, UK double. We're then going to chain one, we're going to skip a chain, and then working in the next chain, we're going to make another US single, UK double. Chain one, skip a chain, and then in the next chain a US single, UK double, and we're going to go like that all the way along the length of your chain. Chain one, skip one, US single, UK double. You can pause the video and I'll see you at the end of the row. So when you get to the end of your chain, you should have 3 chains left. Chain one, skip one, and make 2 US singles, UK doubles, 1 in each of those last 2 chains. So that's row 1. Row 2, we're going to chain 1. That doesn't count as our first stitch. Turn your work and make a US single, UK double in the first stitch, chain 1. We're then going to make a stitch into that chain space from the round before and chain 1. All the stitches we make are US singles, UK doubles. Yeah. So then we skip the next stitch into the chain space, make a US single, UK double, chain 1. Skip the stitch into the chain space, US single, UK double, chain 1. And you just go all the way along like so. And it's just the one row that's the repeat. It's exactly the same when we get to the end of this row. We start the next row the same way we started this row. You should end with 2 stitches next to each other like we did at the end of the last row. So here we go, I'm at the end, I've got a chain space, make the stitch and then a stitch in that last stitch, chain 1, turn the work, make a stitch into the first stitch, that chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch, chain 1, and then into the chain space. And you just carry on like so. It's really nice to work up. It's quite meditative. Yeah. So let me know in the comments below if you use this stitch for anything. I'd be interested to know how you used it. And I'll see you in the next video.